Leketile on the left.
Namhlanje email ifundeka kanje. Sawubona Jabs, I never planned to be this kind of woman or friend, but here I am. I wasn't looking for love. I wasn't even looking for trouble. Kodwa naku la ngikhona, 6 months pregnant and drowning in a secret that feels heavier than my unborn child. I became friends nomngani wami 12 years ago. She's smart, kind, married. Ile nhlobo ethandwa nethenjwa yo wonke umuntu futhi kufanele because avelungile. When her marriage of 8 years fell apart in late 2024, I stood firmly on her side. For almost a year, yena nomyeni wakhe were separated. No divorce papers, but no real marriage either. Just distance, silence, and unresolved pain. During that time, umyeni wakhe reached out to me. Not for romance, not even for friendship. Wathi kimi udinga umuntu neutral who knew them both and still wanted their marriage to work. So I listened to his frustrations and carried messages to her. I encouraged healing. But somewhere between long conversations and shared vulnerability, I started seeing him differently. Why ngase yena umyeni wamngani wami? Ngambona as a broken man just trying to find his way back home. And yes, one thing led to another. It didn't last long though. Mhlampe kwenzeka kawu-5 in 3 months. It certainly wasn't love. It wasn't even intentional on my side. Kodwa kwenzeka. I then found out I was pregnant in September 2025. By then, yena nomngakhe were talking again, healing and rebuilding umshado wabo. It's now 6 months later, and they're in a much better place than they've been in years. It looks like their marriage might actually survive. Bakhuluma nendaba yokwenza a vow renewal ceremony. Everyone in my life believes lengane ngiyithwele belongs to my boyfriend of 3 years. My family, my friends, even her. Abantu abaziqiniso imina nomyeni wakhe kuphela, only because uyena ubaba wengane. I've spoken to him about it and he refuses to come clean. Says telling his wife, my friend, would destroy everything that they've rebuilt. Uthi the past should stay buried. Uthi uma ngibakhathalela bobabili as a couple and as a family nengane zabo, kufanele ngife nayo lemfihlo. So I did the unthinkable. I cut my friend off. I disappeared from her life to protect her from a truth that might shatter her. Kodwa umngani wami ngiyamkhumbula mihla namalanga. Unembeza uyangidla futhi ngathi uba namandla ezikukhulisiswa. Ngiyafisa ukuphumela obala for my child's sake ukuze naye azokhula emazi ubaba wakhe, kodwa ngiyasaba. Ngisaba umngani wami, ngisaba umyeni wakhe, ngisaba umndeni wami, ngisaba isoka lami, ngiyasaba nje. So my question, Jabs, is, should I tell her the truth and destroy her marriage? Maybe I should keep quiet and stay in my friend's life and raise this child in a lie with my boyfriend as the father. Or perhaps I should walk away forever and keep this secret while raising this child alone. Ngenze njani?
Yebo,
Njani?
ngiyaphila njani?
Ngikhona. I'm hoping ukuthi uzomlekelela la usisi, and it's getting tricky now because I can't refer to the both of you as osisi. Are you comfortable with me saying your name?
Ay mina ngalisho
No, noma uthi ngikuphe elinye ke dade ukuze uzokhuleka. Angikubize uPretty, okay?
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Pretty, ngino konje lo ngizombiza ngobani yena angimbize ngombali, okay?
Okay.
I have got Umbali on the other line. Umbali uthi ku-email wayibhala usola ngathi uyena lo okhuluma ngaye. Are you able to confirm for us whether you indeed are the one that wrote the email, Pretty?
Hey, yebo kodwa mina, yes mina impela ngingangikhuluma ngayo ngempela umngane wami.
Okay. Were you intending ukuthi vele ayibone lento noma ayizwe on the radio? Is
bengifisa ngendlela ebese ngihlukumezeke ngayo lento engidla ngedwa khona vele bengifisa khona. It's just that bengingakwazi ukumconfront because this is too much. Kangibona nje ukuthi ingane yami izombulala lento, so ngidecide ukuthi no, ake ngithinte negagasini. Hoping ukuthi uzoyithola, and then ezisekwenzekile-ke nje ngiyajabula kakhulu. Ngiyajabula nje umngane wami ukuthi uyitholile because bekube too much for me ukuthi ngimtshele lento le. But bese ngifisa ukuthi ayithole, so nje ngiyajabula kakhulu ngiyakwazi isixhumanisa naye umngane wami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Pretty. Okay. Mbali.
Yes, Jabs.
Your suspicions have been proven true.
Yeah. Can I speak to her?
Uglalela.
Oh, Unjani. Ngiyaphila, sithando sami ngiyaphila. What happened? Ngampela lengane ekhulele yamelusi. I just need to hear this from you. Is it true? Because akwazi Nhlobo. Oh my friend. I'm afraid yakhe mnganami yakhe. So sorry. I'm so sorry, sithando sami. I'm so sorry. I know. Oh my God. I know.
Okay. Hold on. Yo, Pretty, angibambele kanjalo. Mbali.
Yes.
I am so sorry. I need to make sure ukuthi usafe lapho khona. Are you at home? Are you in a contained environment? Awushayeli or anything like that, ne?
Oh, I'm not at home, but I'm not driving either. Yo, I knew it. Here's the moment. Here's the similarities. I knew it.
Yes, Sithando sami. Okay.
Can I speak to Ubongeka, please?
Okay.
I just want to say something to her. Yeah. Oh, see, Uyang-answer. You know exactly what I was going through. Uyang-answer. No, ayikho into oyaziyo Bongeka, uyinja. Everything happened so fast.
Iyaliqalekisa usuke engakwazi ngalo. Yazi athi ubusungaphezulu bomngani kumina. Ubusungaphezulu bomngani. Izitori engihlezi ngizizwa zabangani. I didn't know ukuthi mina nawe
ngangaqondile.
You knew everything that was happening emshadweni wami. You knew everything.
Yes, ngibona lokho kanye walidela kulento because
Ubongeka
uyena kodwa mngani wami uhappy wakho weza kumina. Uyena oweza kumina, my friend.
Wena
to another. I'm sorry.
Khethile. We need to wrap up Khethile. It is quite a turn that this has taken. And angazi ukuthi way forward mangabe sekufike lapho izinto esizifike khona, so map her out kanjani. I have got Umbali, who is the wife of ngichaza kanjani lento lena. I don't even know the correct vocabulary and the right language to use, but Upriti wrote to us saying she is pregnant with her best friend's husband's child. Best friend Akazi. And she wanted us to help her with figuring out what to do. And the wife, Umbali, saw everything in a video on social media. And this is where we are right now. This is the first time that the ladies have spoken in quite a while. And of course, kuqhume ibhomu ke manje. Mbali, let me come to you as the wife, right? Wena,
Yes.
I think ushayeke kakhulu nawo wonke umuntu la. Because you have to deal with betrayal, not only your husband wako, but also betrayal from your best friend, and there's a child involved ke manje. Umqondo wakho uthi yenze njani njengamanje?
But right now, I'm doing it to the working. I will never ever call her a friend again because ungibulele ngiphila. Self-esteem yami uyicrashile like nje ubazi yonke into like yabona njengoba ngiblockile akayi-delete inumber zami because from now on yaphambili ayikho into esihlanganisayo mina naye. And for ingane I wish ukuthi abelethe kahle kodwa eduze kwami ngimdingi ngisho ngathiwa kwenzakalani kumina angisamdingi futhi angazami ukureach out because I was hoping ukuthi uzothi mengabe sewumfonela u-anonymous bungabuyena but then ama instincts ahlezi right. So nje
And do
for
you,
everything oyenzile uzama ukungixhumanisa naye. Thank you so much for that.
I'm sorry ukuthi it's led to your heart being broken ngalendlela, and you may not have all the answers right now, and that's fine. Take your time in trying to figure this entire mess out. But okwamngani wakho kwaforma mngani wakho usukushilo ukuthi awusazingeni, you want nothing more to do with her. What about your husband?
Obviously kuphelile lento besithi siyazama ukuyilungisa ayikho. He's the one ongigwaze emhlane. He's the one ovulela izitha to our life. So it's over. Unfortunately, bengisasa nethemba ngibona izinto engathi sezi-right.
Okay. Mbali, sorry, Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything more that you would like to say?
Okay, I'm so sorry, Mom. I mean, I won't stop calling you my friend because to me, he's always my friend.
Okay. Now I have to jump in here. Because khona la ongithinta khona nami. You cannot, Pretty, say you will never stop calling her your friend. You don't do this to friends. You don't behave like this towards abantu obathandayo that you hold in high regard. You don't kill them ngalendlela that Umbali has been killed by your actions. Even if it was her husband, oweza kuwena, you had the obligation to go to your friend and say, izinto azhambi kahle, sengimbona lo behave in a certain way towards me. So you cannot do everything that you have done and then come here and say you'll never stop calling her your friend.